Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use less internet on your laptop. First, let's understand that many applications consume data in the background without you even knowing. We'll explore how to identify these data hogs and adjust your system settings to put a stop to unnecessary network activity. Monitoring your usage is key, so you can make informed decisions and keep your data consumption in check, saving you precious megabytes and improving performance. Your laptop's operating system often has built-in features to help. Look for a data saver mode, which can significantly reduce background data. Turning off automatic updates for both your operating system and individual applications is crucial. You can schedule these manually. Also, restrict background app refresh and synchronization for services like cloud storage, ensuring they only update when you explicitly allow them to. Your web browser can be a major data consumer. Consider using browser extensions or built-in features that compress data before it reaches your laptop, potentially saving up to 30%. Always close unnecessary browser tabs and any applications running in the background that you are not actively using. For frequently accessed content, download it once for offline viewing rather than streaming it multiple times. Finally, smart network practices can make a big difference. Always prioritize connecting to secure, private networks over public ones, as private networks often offer more control over data usage. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for large downloads or system updates, as these can quickly deplete your data. Instead, schedule any substantial downloads for off-peak hours when your internet service provider might offer better rates or less congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.